Want to add the current year dynamically to your WordPress website using Elementor? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Quick and easy, no coding required. I used Elementor to build the site in this video. If you want to give it a shot, check out the affiliate link below. It's what I personally use. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Start by opening your browser and going to the backend of your WordPress website. Once you're logged into the admin panel, click on your website's name at the top left corner to preview the front end in demo mode. You'll notice an Edit with Elementor button on the top ribbon. Click on that to launch the Elementor editor. After the editor opens, drag the text editor widget onto any section of your page. By default, it'll be filled with placeholder text like lorem ipsum. Look to the left-hand panel, where you can configure the text settings, and look for the Dynamic Tags option. From there, choose Current Date Time. Once selected, Elementor will automatically pull the current date and time into your text box. You'll now see additional customization options in the same panel. You can change the date and time format based on your preference. For example, if you only want to show the year, type Y. If you want something more detailed, like date and time, go for formats like DMY or HI. These settings come directly from the Elementor customization guide, so you can play around until it looks right. Scroll down a bit and click on the Advanced options. Here, you'll find fields where you can add text before or after the dynamic content. In my case, I added the phrase, "All rights reserved," before the year. So, in the final result, it looks something like this. Your website name, all rights reserved, 2025. And that's it. You've now got a dynamically updating year on your site. No need to edit it manually ever again. If this helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.